Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect a custom domain with Blogger. So let's begin. So first of all, visit blogger.com. Sign in using your email ID. Alright, now let me first show you how my blog looks right now. As you see, this is my blog. This is the URL I'm using right now. So let's connect a custom domain. Go to your Blogger dashboard and select settings. There should be an option called a custom domain. Click on that. Now it's asking for you to enter the custom domain. Remember, you should start the domain name with www dot and enter your domain name. I have a dot in domain. It doesn't matter if you have a .com domain, this works as well. Click save. Now it's asking us to enter the following two CNAMEs. I should add these two CNAMEs in my domain's DNS settings. So go back to your domain registrar. In my case, I have bought the domain from Hostinger. This should be similar with other domain registrars too. There should be an option called manage DNS next to the domain you have bought. Click on that and go to DNS name servers. Now as you can see, there's a bunch of records here. We have to add CNAME records. So the first record is let me zoom in. The first record is www and the destination is this one. So let me go back to my register dashboard. Remember, you should delete the www record if it's already existing in your DNS settings. In my case, as you can see, it's already there, so I delete that one. And to add a new one, I'll select CNAME. Name is www. The target, I'll copy the target from here. The destination, I paste it here. Click on add record. Once that's done, you have to add the second record. The second record's names here, I'll just copy that. Go back to my DNS settings. CNAME. Now I'll delete the @ and paste the name I have copied, and the destination should be this one. So I'll just copy that and paste it in the target section. Click add. That's it. Now go back to your Blogger settings and hit save. Now there's an option called redirect domain. So you have to enable this. Someone enters trustappliance.in instead of adding www at the start. Then what this setting does is it will automatically redirect this domain to www.trustappliance.in. So you should enable this one, and also enable the HTTPS availability. That's it. It might take some 5 to 10 minutes for these changes to happen. So I'll pause the video now. I'll come back when the domain has successfully connected. Alright guys, it's been 10 minutes. I've checked the domain and it's working perfectly. Here, let me show you guys again. So I'm setting trustappliance.in. As you guys can see, it's working perfectly. That's how you connect a custom domain with Blogger to make it look more professional. So see you guys later.